I dislocated my shoulder a couple months ago, and while my brother and father are climbing, I'm undergoing physical therapy and rehab in Quito.
Just some physical therapy after climbing a couple mountains. A few times in the night, the shoulder cracks, and I have a really hard time moving it, which is quite scary. I think that maybe I haven't slept well and accidentally dislocated it. Unfortunately, that hasn't happened. So yeah, right now I have to strengthen the arm. A lot of the muscle is gone, so it makes it a lot harder when I'm doing the technical work. So I just have to get more muscle in the front, the deltoid, the bicep, and then at the back as well. Scapula as well isn't being used, so I just need to keep working on that.